Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, inshallah, we'll study our next unit, Unit B, that is improper fractions. We have been studying fractions and equivalent fraction, how to make equivalent fraction. Today, we'll study, inshallah, improper fractions. First of all, I want to discuss that there are three types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fraction. You can see in the picture, the proper fractions are where numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator, the top number, is smaller than the bottom number. In the improper fraction, it is opposite. The numerator is greater than the denominator. The number on the top is greater than the number in the bottom. Then the last type is mixed fraction or mixed number. This I will tell you and explain you later. Now here are a few examples. You can see what proper fractions are. All the numerators, the numbers on the top, are smaller than the numbers in the denominator. Here are some examples of improper fractions where the top numbers are greater than the numbers that are in the bottom, that is the denominators. You can see the examples like 5 by 4, 8 by 8, 12 by 6, 7 by 2, and 9 by 3. When the numerators are greater than the denominators, that means the number in the denominator can divide, further simplify the number on the top. Like here, 8 can be divided by 8 because 8 ones are 8 and both the numbers come in the table of this 8 comes in the table of 8. In the next example, you can see there is 12 on the top and 6 in the bottom. So it means that in the table of 6 you can find 12. So we can further simplify 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. In the last here 9 comes in the table of 3, so we can further simplify 3 ones are 3, threes are 9. Now come to the first example. Although 5 is greater than 4 and 4 cannot divide the 5 equally. So if I try to divide 4 ones are 4, ones are 4, then what about the one that is left behind? Now this is the way when we divide, when the denominator is unable to divide the numerator completely and there is a remainder, that becomes a mixed fraction. Now here you can see a mixed fraction is actually a combination or a mixture of a whole number and a proper fraction together. Here 1 is a whole number and this 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. I gave you the example in the previous slide as 4 over 5. 4 can divide 5 but with a remainder. Let's divide it and try out. 4 ones are 4 and here is a remainder as 1. So I can write this number as mixed fraction 1 by 4. I will explain you further, but remember that an improper fraction is actually converted into a mixed number by misdivision. As I told you that the numerator will be divided by the denominator with a remainder. That becomes a mixed number. So only improper fraction is actually converted into a mixed number. This slide will explain you how the improper fractions are converted into mixed number. Here is an example of 7 by 3. 7 is greater than 3, but 3 cannot divide 7 completely. So when you will do the division procedure, now first of all you will write the 7 as in the brackets, 3, 2 on the top, you are 6, and when you subtract 6 out of 7 you will get 1 here. So the number on the top is a quotient. The number that comes as after subtraction is a remainder. So whenever there is a remainder, we'll write it in a mixed fraction. So the fraction starts with the quotient. Quotient becomes the whole number. Here 2 will be the whole number. Remainder becomes the numerator. So I will write 1 on the top and denominator remains the same. And what is the denominator here? 3 is the denominator. So I will write 3 as a denominator here. Remember, it starts from the top, goes to the feet and comes to the shoulder. So remember this: head, feet, shoulder. First of all, you will write head, 1 as feet, 3 as shoulder. Here is a question, which mixed number equals to 9 by 4? We have given so many mixed numbers, but we have to decide, we have to pick up which is the correct answer. So what we'll do, this division is the action. Pick a bracket, 9 will be written inside and 4 outside. 4 2s are 8. Subtract 8 out of 9, you will get 1. So we'll follow the sequence to head to feet, feet to shoulder. So first of all, we'll write 2 head, 1 feet, 4 shoulder. Understand, girls? Hopefully now 2, 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Now what if we are given a mixed number and we have to convert it into an improper fraction? Now here the sequence will be, we'll start from the bottom. Bottom is feet, that is the denominator. You will multiply the denominator with the whole number. Feet to shoulder. Then whatever you get, add 3. 3 is the head. So feet, shoulder, whatever you get, add the head. Feet, shoulder, head. Feet, shoulder, head. So this is the way. 3 by 4 by 12 plus 3 becomes 15. So your answer will be 15 by 4. And remember, numerator does not change. But do not forget this, that your numerator will remain the same as in the mixed fraction. Okay, so here feet, shoulder, head. When you are changing the mixed number to a improper fraction, multiply feet and shoulder, then add your head. This is page number 22 that is given to you as a homework. Inshallah, I will discuss and I'll show you the answers, inshallah, in tomorrow's class. Hopefully you have understood. Inshallah, I will discuss the answers tomorrow.